Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe for more delicious vegan recipes and check out the other soul food recipes I have on my channel. Let's get into it. Let's make some vegan collard greens that are delicious, easy, and don't need any meat to taste awesome. And make sure you watch until the end because at the end is when I'm going to tell you the secret to making the vegan collard greens taste amazing. It's not very hard to do, but it is a little secret and a little trick to allow it to taste so good without needing meat. So I'll leave that tip for you at the end. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay guys, here's the secret. So it's liquid smoke, yes, and some of you may know about liquid smoke already, but if you don't, liquid smoke is a great thing to add to your greens. It's going to give it that smoky flavor, but what I like to do is make like a fat bomb with the liquid smoke. So making sure you're using your vegan butter along with the liquid smoke, and then combining it is going to give you that oh, and also the sea salt. The sea salt, the vegan butter, and the liquid smoke. That combination right there, that's going to give you that smoky, fatty, salty taste that you would get from adding like a traditional ham hock or turkey wings or turkey legs or something like that to your greens. So you don't need to use animals to make your greens taste really good and savory. You want to use vegan butter. I like to use the soy-free one. So your vegan butter, your liquid smoke, and your sea salt. Those three things combined, watch out. Also make sure you are sauteing your veggies ahead of time before you add the greens. You always want to do that, especially when you're going to add those veggies to any kind of liquid or water so that all the flavor comes out. You're sauteing it before you start adding everything else. Alright guys, that's my tip for you. Happy holidays. I hope you enjoy it, and let me know in the comments below what you think or if you have any other tips you want to share. And I'll leave you the full recipe with all the details in the description box below.